Looking to transform your kitchen into a dream space? Look no further than this mind-blowing video showcasing the top modular kitchen designs of 2024. Get ready to be amazed by the latest innovations in the world of modular kitchens. In this video, we're showcasing 100 modular kitchen designs ideas for 2024 that are absolute game changers. The kitchen, often referred to as the heart of the home, has evolved over the years into a space of beauty, functionality, and personal expression. The modular kitchen is the latest kitchen set model that is mostly used currently. The modular kitchen has some benefits if it is compared to the conventional kitchen model. This popular kitchen design is easily installed in a kitchen with some sizes and layout. From sleek and modern to cozy and traditional, these kitchen cabinets will have you swooning. Explore the latest trends in modular kitchen design, from innovative storage solutions to trendy color palettes that will elevate your space. Whether you're a home chef or love hosting dinner parties, these modular kitchen ideas are sure to spark your creativity and take your kitchen aesthetic to the next level. The modular kitchen is the latest kitchen set, becoming a part of the latest furniture model and design from the best kitchen designer. The modular kitchen makes you more creative in creating color combinations and designs from its different cabinet units. The color combination takes an important deal with the overall look of that kitchen. Modular kitchen models maximize utility and effortlessly add to storage systems by making the best possible use of every available space corner. Each unit provides a range of organizational options and includes several cutting-edge accessories and modular cabinet designs that assist create the illusion of a clutter-free kitchen. These are widely available and reasonably inexpensive to install. Modular kitchen systems can be easily and quickly installed. A modular kitchen has a number of benefits if it is compared to a conventional kitchen. With the layout of the kitchen like gallery kitchen, island kitchen, peninsula kitchen, U-shaped or L-shaped kitchen, and modular kitchen, those are easily installed and set to some sizes of rooms. It eases the use of rooms effectively. The separated unit or set is between top and bottom spaces. The placement of the cabinet or unit enables you to create various rooms with some activities in the kitchen. So, get ready to revamp your kitchen with 100 cutting-edge modular kitchen design ideas for 2024. From sleek countertops to innovative storage solutions, this video showcases the latest trends in modular kitchen design. Discover 100 unique ways to transform your space with modular kitchen cabinets that optimize functionality and style. Whether you prefer a bright and airy color scheme or a bold and modern aesthetic, these designs will inspire your next kitchen renovation project. Don't miss out on the hottest kitchen trends for 2024. Watch now and elevate your home decor game. Whether you are planning a kitchen renovation or simply looking for inspiration, this video is a must-watch. Get ready to be amazed by the endless possibilities of modular kitchen designs that can elevate your cooking experience and add value to your home. With our eye-catching video, you'll witness firsthand how these incredible modular kitchen designs will transform your cooking experience and leave your guests speechless. So, if you're ready to take your kitchen to the next level, don't forget to hit that play button and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home design ideas. Stay ahead of the game and dive into the future of kitchen design. Don't miss out on these must-have kitchen trends for 2024. Hit play now and immerse yourself in the world of cutting-edge modular kitchen designs.